Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you for joining me in today. In today's video, we are going to be making honey garlic salmon in the air fryer. This air fryer that I'm going to be using, I have made a review on it already on the channel, so please check it out and let's get started into the recipe. So in the small bowl, I'm going to be making the sauce that I will be using for the salmon. I have in here some honey. To that, I'll add some soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce. And I will also be adding some grated ginger and some grated garlic. I'll add some smoked paprika. And I'll give everything a good stir and I'll set it aside. I will be working on my fish. I'm using salmon. So sometimes the scale is already taken off, most of the time it is not. So I will still be using my knife to scrape to get some or most of the scale out at the back of the fish. I'm using the skin on. You can use any salmon or any other fish of your choice and that will be perfect. So after cleaning the fish, I'm going to be washing it in some lime juice and we will bring it back for seasoning. After washing the fish, I'm going to be cutting each into two. And I will also drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto the fish to allow the seasoning I'm going to be using. I'm using this rosemary garlic blend. I'll sprinkle a little bit on each of the fish. And I will also be using this homemade pepper blend. It's a blend of assorted bell peppers with the seed out and one serrano pepper with the seed out and some parsley and green onions. I'll be leaving that video in the description box below. It's going to be on the channel as well. So I'm just going to be rubbing this in nicely onto the fish and we are going to be placing them in the air fryer and pour the sauce we made earlier on over the fish. So please check out the video I made about this glass basket air fryer. I know you will love it. It is a good place for you if you are trying to start using the air fryer, and you will be amazed how effective this works. So we are going to be pushing this into or pushing in our basket, and I'm going to be setting the timer for 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, and we are going to be cooking this. And this is how the fish is looking now. Looks beautiful already. And this air fryer, you can actually see what you are doing or what you are cooking through the glass opening. So it is so sweet and very beautiful. So I just garnish the fish with some parsley, chopped parsley and some green onions, and our fish is done. It tastes so amazing. It was soft, so flavorful, and I know you are going to love this. You can serve this fish with some plain rice or some coconut rice or some turmeric rice. I have a recipe of coconut rice on the channel, so I'm going to be leaving that video also in the description box below. I served mine with some coconut rice, as you can see, and it was so good. I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.